Next! Yeah, you better be smiling. Stop shaking. Man up, dude. Come on, guys. I weigh exactly 97.2 pounds. I had 1 grape this morning. 1!
We're out of here.
Guys, no! Don't go!
Save it, lord ass.
My life is over.
I'll do it.
Do what?
Whatever it is y'all trying to do.
You think you can lift me?
Well, shit, I can lift you.
Wait.
Now what?
You take your half boner off me.
Oh, my bad.
Now put me down.
All right.